Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cake noodles, an addictive, tasty meal. Here are the following ingredients. Hāmākua alii mushrooms are grown locally here in Hawaii. They are also known as king oyster mushrooms. These mushrooms have great, meaty texture and has a wonderful umami taste. First, boil a large pot of water and add the noodles to it. Let it cook until the noodles are tender. Drain and rinse the noodles. Set aside. Next, stir-fry the veggies. Heat a wok or pan over high heat with oil until you see it smoke. Add in the toughest vegetable first to the least tender in 1-minute increments while stirring constantly. Onions, carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, mushrooms, and baby bok choy. Continuously stir the veggies. If you want actual meat in this recipe, you can add in chicken, beef, or shrimp to this dish. After all of the veggies have been cooked, set aside. Start working on the broth. In a medium-sized pot, heat it over medium-high heat. Add in the chicken broth, oyster sauce, shoyu, sugar, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix it all. Bring it to a boil, and in the meantime, create the slurry to thicken the sauce. Combine the water and cornstarch until it has dissolved. Add in the slurry and keep stirring until the sauce has thickened. Combine the sauce to the stir-fry. Bring it to a simmer and set aside. Last is making the cake noodles. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add in the oil and layer it with the cooked noodles. Let it cook until it is crispy brown on one side. Carefully flip the noodles to the other side. If you are not comfortable tossing the noodles, you can use 2 spatulas to flip it. Cook the one side again until it is crispy brown. Remove from the pan and set it on a plate lined with paper towels to catch any extra oil. Cook the remaining noodles. Cut the cooked noodles into squares. Plate them and pour on the sauce. Serve it hot and enjoy this onolicious cake noodles. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!